plus jar and twister jar bundle, professional grade power. 6 pre-programmed cycles, 10 speeds. Easy blending cycles, 1 touch button, 6 pre-programmed cycles pulse, and 10 speed manual control. With the ability to achieve variety of textures, complete control to adjust your blending at any time. Patented blade for 80% thicker stainless steel forged blade with wings for amazingly smooth blends. 10 times stronger than other blender blades. Self-cleaning. Add a little soap and water, your jar can clean itself in less than 1 minute. Illuminated LCD timer displays remaining time on blends. Large batches BPA-free WildSide plus jar is ideal for blending beverages for 4 to 6 people. Nut butter. Small batches twister jar is perfect for blending bread. And cookie crumbs, nut butters, hummus baby food single serve smoothies through twister jar. Has a 24 oz volume jar with 16 oz blending capacity.